Hello everybody, welcome back to Creations by DX & Co.
Gardening.
Today
we are going to give you an update video on how our seedlings are coming along with our 4 different soil types. So let us get started looking at those types. Okay, so what do we think, Xander? Which one's the winner?
I think the Jiffy Pod.
The Jiffy Pod, okay. Yep, that one right there is the Jiffy Pod. The Jiffy Mix is doing pretty good too, huh? What about the Miracle-Gro? Ooh, the Miracle-Gro has more seeds per pod that's sprouted. What about the garden soil? Huh? Nothing on the garden soil, huh?
But there's a little tiny green spot.
Yeah, that looks like moss.
Oh.
Yeah, it looks like moss for growing from outside. Okay guys, if you remember correctly, this one is our Miracle-Gro, our Jiffy Seed Pods, and our Jiffy Mix, and our garden soil. So as you can see, just the soil, we are starting to get some germination in that very far back one. The video now, I believe we are 4 or 5 days out. I'll get that exact date, put it on the link here. Jiffy Pods, we've got 100% germination rate. Or I'm sorry, Jiffy Mix, we've got 100% germination rate. Our Jiffy Pods themselves, we've got one that still hasn't sprouted yet, but some good germination on all of the other cells. And our Miracle-Gro, you can see the 4th one starting today. Great germination in that back one where my son put all those seeds in that video. So you can see starting seeds, doesn't matter what soil type you use. It's great to have a good seed starting mix if you can, like the Jiffy seed starting mix or the Jiffy Pods if you want to buy the pods, work really well. And the Miracle-Gro potting mix works really well as well, you can see. The garden soil, just pulling soil out of your garden, will have some success in germination rate, but unfortunately it's not quite as good as buying a seed starting mix. So guys, just a quick update video on the soil, 4 types of soil that we did in germination rates. Like I said, the video is only a few days past now, but I did want to let you guys know about those germination rates. Yes, we're growing easy to grow seedlings with, you know, lettuces, different types of leafy greens basically for the bearded dragon. So it's not a huge, you know, difficulty degree, but I will tell you, I only watered these once so far since the original because I noticed that the soil starting to dry off, and that's when they all germinated real quick. But so you don't want to water these every day. You want to give nice moist soil and a warm environment like this, and you get some good germination rates with your seed starting mix. So I just wanted to give you guys that update, let you know exactly, you know, which ones were doing the best for us here. Let us know what kind of soil you're using, and go ahead and comment down below. Give this video a like, share it with some people who are thinking about starting some seeds indoor right now. And I hope you guys think about subscribing, and make sure you hit that notification bell for some additional content to come in the future. Looks like we've got some spring crops starting to pull up. I'm going to try to get some video on that tomorrow for you guys. As always, guys, I hope you guys are staying safe and enjoying your gardens. Thanks for watching.